Welcome to Ai4Pharma, where AI drives pharmaceutical innovation. Founder and joint venture. Amish Vyos, co-founders and CEO, pharma professional with 30-plus years experiences in global MNCs, and Akshat Doshi, co-founders and CTO, AI specialist with experience at tech giants like Amazon. Ai4Pharma is powered by Silver Touch Technologies, a public-listed IT firm with 29 years of expertise serving clients worldwide. Who we are. Our mission to harness AI to improve quality, optimize processes, and reduce costs in the pharmaceutical industry, ensuring patients receive high-quality, affordable, and timely products at Ai4Pharma. At Ai4Pharma, we bring together seasoned pharma experts with 29-plus years of global experience, AI specialists from top tech giants, and the support of a listed IT firm with 1,400-plus professionals blending industry knowledge and AI to transform pharma quality and efficiency. We focus on three key areas: improving quality, enhancing manufacturing efficiency, reducing human errors across processes, and making products more accessible globally. Ai4Pharma offers a suite of AI-powered solutions designed for the pharmaceutical industry. From ChatGMP and ChatOrange for instant FDA insights, to BatchSmart for smarter manufacturing, LabelSmart for compliant packaging, and COA automation, our products are built to ensure quality, compliance, and efficiency across the pharma value chain. Introducing ChatGMP is an AI platform that turns scattered GMP data into clear insights, helping pharma teams save time and make smarter decisions. Introducing ChatOrange offers real-time FDA-approved drug product data through a simple chat interface, saving time and improving decisions. Introducing BatchSmart, an AI partner that transforms paper-based batch records into smarter, faster, and more compliant processes. Introducing LabelSmart is an AI tool that verifies pharmaceutical artworks and labels for compliance, improving accuracy and reducing recall risks. Introducing COA-Smart is an AI platform that quickly reviews certificates of analysis to reduce errors and support efficient, compliant operations. Ai4Pharma, your digital partner in ensuring high-quality products, seamless processes, and constant compliance readiness. Join the future of pharma with Ai4Pharma.